Hello there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to choose the best chimney for your kitchen. You should consider various aspects and facets before choosing between buying a chimney. Here, we have discussed those aspects in detail. This buying guide will help you find the chimney that is just right for your kitchen. Let's discuss these aspects. Consider the size of the chimney. Size of the chimney. Chimneys come in different size variants. Some of them are large while the others are comparatively smaller. Before buying a chimney, you should always get the details of its size. Make a comparison between the size of your kitchen cabinets and the chimney so that the chimney will fit perfectly in your kitchen and not cause any damage or look odd. A basic rule here is that the chimney you choose must be the size of a stove or cooking platform but never smaller than that. Consider the design of the chimney. Depending on the design, kitchen chimneys are of two types, i.e. contemporary and convectional. Contemporary chimneys are mostly used in modular kitchens because of their sleek design and style symbol. They are generally made of stainless steel and come in different color colorants and are more expensive. On the other hand, convectional chimneys are less expensive, less stylish, and more focused on performance rather than style. Consider the price of the chimney. The price of the chimney depends largely on its size as well as design. Sometimes the chimneys may need additional ducting and this may add up to its price. You should always consider the price of the chimney that you are buying and then buy the one that fits best to your budget. Many manufacturers provide free installation, so may not worry about installation charges. But you should always check if the installation is free or not. Consider the type of the chimney. This aspect completely depends on the structure as well as the construction of your kitchen. Three common types of chimneys can fit in various structures of your kitchen. These are island chimney, built-in chimney, and wall-mounted chimney. The island chimneys are best if you have a cooking platform at the center of your kitchen. They hang from the ceiling to provide suction. Built-in chimneys are the ones that are fitted against the wall and inside the kitchen cabinets. Lastly, wall-mounted chimneys are fitted on the walls. These are not surrounded by the kitchen cabinets and hence hang solo. Make sure you consider all of this. Consider the suction power of the chimney. Different types of kitchen chimneys. Types of kitchen chimneys. There are various types of chimneys available in the market, depending upon important factors such as chimney types, brands, chimney sizes according to the kitchen, and many more. Coming to the chimney types, it is totally up to you which type of kitchen chimney you want to install in your kitchen. There are numerous types of kitchen chimneys, which are applicable for different kitchen needs. For instance, you get various options to choose from. Auto-clean chimneys, ductless chimneys, straight glass chimneys, curved glass chimneys, angular chimneys, box-type chimneys. Now, let us discuss further the chimney types. 1. Auto-clean chimneys. Auto-clean chimney comes with separate oil collectors. They help in removing all the oil particles present in your kitchen, and all the dust particles get stored in the collector. The chimneys are equipped with an aluminum non-stick turbine blower, and this is how the cooking fumes pass all through. You also get easily removable and washable collector bowls. You can clean the bowls once a month depending upon your usage. There is simply no extra effort required to clean the oil collectors. What you have to do is just press the Auto Clean control button while cooking and you are good to go. What benefits do you get from the Auto Clean chimneys? Auto Clean chimney prevents oil and other grease particles and improves your kitchen's overall performance. No need to wash the filters frequently. The chimneys come with an Auto Clean system. Easy maintenance and cleaning saves your time in cleaning the filter too. Ductless chimneys. Ductless chimneys help in filtering the smoke air and releasing back into your kitchen. The filters used in backless chimneys are made of carbon charcoal and they have lower suction power compared to other kitchen chimneys. Talking about its maintenance, you need to regularly wash the filters and replace the carbon filter regularly. Normally ductless chimneys cannot work efficiently and they are unable to remove heat from your kitchen. Coming to its price in the market, the ductless chimneys are far more expensive than the other ones. 3. Straight glass chimneys. These chimneys are designed with stainless steel and glass. They are equipped with electronic push buttons, halogen bulbs, and aluminum filters. The chimneys run at 3-speed extraction and remove all the dust particles from your kitchen with ease. They are fabricated using hydrate materials and other durable components so that they can serve you up to a longer period with their high performance. 4. Curved glass chimneys. Curved glass chimneys are designed with curved glass perfectly with stainless steel. It has inbuilt easy push button control and offers you a lifetime warranty on it. The size of curved glass chimneys is mainly within 600 mm. The chimney body is designed with black coated powder. They overall ensure that your kitchen remains odor-free while you cook. 5. Angular chimneys. Kitchen chimneys also come with advanced angular suction technology, which not only performs at its best but is also good for your health, too. Unlike the other chimney designs, angular kitchen chimneys have intake vents sideways which works effectively in keeping the air clean. 6. Box-type chimneys. Box-type chimneys add an extra style statement to your kitchen. With the high suction power, these chimneys assure that no dusty particles or smoke enter your kitchen. They produce less noise while you cook and work with 20% better in grease reduction from your kitchen. Box-type chimneys can be a perfect match if you have a small kitchen space in your home. Kitchen chimneys are also categorized according to the burner sizes. The chimney prices may vary depending upon the number of burners present in the chimney, i.e., 2-burner stove, 2 to 4-burner stove, 3 to 5-burner stove, 4 to 6-burner stove. Talking about the chimney shapes, they are as follows: box type, straight line, curved, glass, pyramid, angular. You can also choose a chimney according to your cooking style. Whether you are a standard chef, or you use a very low amount of oil in your foods, there are numerous chimneys available in the market that suit all your purpose. Lastly, your kitchen size matters a lot while choosing out the perfect chimney. No matter whether you have a small, normal or large kitchen at your home, you can choose from a variety of chimneys according to your kitchen size. The suction power of your chimney will depend upon its size. The chimney you choose must be able to change the air of the kitchen in a matter of 10 minutes. If it takes more than that, then you may need a chimney with higher suction power. There are also calculation methods available on the web that you may use to calculate the size of the chimney your kitchen requires. Most chimney manufacturers provide free installation. They may also help you in choosing the suction power that is best suited for your home. Suction power is a very important aspect that you should never ignore while buying a chimney. Also, depending on the rooms you have in your home, you may need a specific suction power. Consider the filter of the chimney. There are generally 3 types of filters in a chimney. These are baffle filter, carbon filter, and cassette filter. Baffle filters are made in such a way that even when they are loaded with grease and oil, their suction power is not affected. They are best suited to be used in kitchens where Indian food is cooked. It needs very less maintenance. Whereas, carbon filters are widely used for absorbing odors from a kitchen. The oil and grease may get clogged in these, and hence these filters need a replacement after 6 months. Lastly, cassette filters are the filters that have a good suction ability, but these filters may also get clogged by oil and grease. But unlike carbon filters, these filters can be cleaned once they get clogged and then put back in the chimney again. Hence, you should always consider the filter of the chimney you are going to purchase.